Registering for any race can fill you with the same nervous energy as standing on the starting line. Let's go over some basics, so you'll cruise to the finish line, no sweat. First, create an account on RunDisney.com. Do this at least a couple days before registration opens. Now do 10 jumping jacks and yell victory to pump yourself up. Okay, that part is optional. Next, gather your stuff. Make sure you have all necessary information for you and anyone else you're planning to register for at your site. This includes average pace, t-shirt size, email address, home address, and birth date. Okay, it's go time. If possible, plan to be at your computer or near your mobile device when registration begins. Many Run Disney events sell out quickly. Off to the races! A few minutes before registration opens, log into your account. To begin the registration process, use the main navigation at RunDisney.com to find the event of your choosing. Then scroll down and click Register Now for the first event you'd like to register for. Warning! Do not open multiple web browsers or attempt to register via multiple mobile devices simultaneously, as this has the potential to create delays. Can't wait? If you happen to click the Register Now link before registration has formally started, you'll be placed in a waiting room. Once registration officially opens, everyone is randomly assigned a spot in the queue and shown an estimated wait time. Once it's your turn, the screen will refresh and bring you to the registration screen where you can enter your information and complete the process. Spots are not held until you see the confirmation screen. You're almost there! When your registration is confirmed, you'll receive a confirmation email. Make sure to check your spam folder. Congratulations! You did it! Go ahead and scream victory again. We'll see you on race day.